Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to another silver and gold jewelry box unboxing. I am so excited that I just got this in the mail. I love this subscription. I've been getting it for a while now, maybe around like 6 months or so, and I think this is so amazing because you get really high-end, high-quality jewelry for such an amazing deal. I don't know how they do it, but this is a monthly jewelry subscription box that has, like the brand is called, silver and gold, real precious metals, real gemstone products that only cost $52 a month, although it does get cheaper if you sign up for more months in advance, and you're always guaranteed at least $120 value, and you get 2 or 3 pieces, and not every box is the same, but I love all of the jewelry that I've gotten so far, so I can't wait to see what I got in this box. It always comes so adorably packaged. Even the products inside are really adorably packaged, and they give product information, which I really appreciate. It gives you the retail value, information on the metals and the components of the jewelry. So I'm going to start off with this one here. Ooh, yay, this is a ring. And it is absolutely beautiful. When you sign up, actually your first box, this is fun, you get a special gift of a bonus jewelry piece, but they'll also send you a ring sizer. So I learned that my ring size is size 7, so then I just let them know that, so then I'll get the perfectly sized rings for me. And oh my gosh, I love this. Oh, I'm like, is it like a pink or maybe like a opal toned stone with what looks like diamonds around it? And yep, 925 silver, so it's not going to turn my finger green. Oh my gosh, that is beautiful. Here you can see what that ring looks like. Of course, a perfect size. So let's see what this is. The pink mother of pearl and diamond simulant halo style rhodium over sterling silver ring. Retail value of $125. Oh my gosh, I love this so much. It is so my style, and I feel like it is so stylish. Oh my goodness, I love it so much. I am blown away by this. This is just the most perfect ring that they sent me. All right, now let's see what's in this adorable little box here. Yay! I was hoping I would get earrings, and these ones are beautiful. Oh my gosh, I love them. I have been on a kick of wearing big dangly earrings. I just feel like it's so glam. So I was hoping I would get some glam earrings, and I absolutely did. Look at these. Here is what that looks like. I love it. It's glamorous, but also neutral to go with any outfit. I'm gonna put these on. Oh my gosh. So these are the simulated diamond teardrop rhodium over sterling silver earrings. Retail value of $105. Like, these are some really expensive, beautiful jewelry pieces. That actually brings me to a total retail value of $230. How does my new jewelry look? Oh my gosh, I love these so much. I love the ring so much, like amazing. This might be one of my favorite boxes yet, but it's also so hard for me to say because I always love the jewelry that I get in the silver and gold jewelry box. Like, it's always so stylish, so beautiful, very on trend, but also classic, which is what I really love in jewelry. So thank you so much to Silver and Gold for sending me this box. This is not a sponsored video, but I like to give a disclaimer when a box is sent to me for free, and I am just so lucky and grateful But I've said before, like, this is truly one of the best gift boxes, in my opinion, for you to gift to someone else, because it's like giving someone $230 worth of jewelry, but only paying $52 for it. So an amazing deal. Just like I was saying before, I don't know how they do it, but absolutely amazing quality products that I highly recommend. So if you do get the silver and gold jewelry subscription box, I would love to hear in the comments down below, what are your favorite pieces that you've gotten? But by the way, if you are not necessarily into this type of jewelry box, they have other awesome subscriptions. Like they have a silver box, a gold box, a ring box. So pretty much something for everyone, even an allergy friendly box, which is so great to see. But I am so happy with my new jewelry pieces. I feel so glam and beautiful in these. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.